Hello guys, my name is Scorsy Gaming. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, I wonder what. Superbat, yay. Yep, it's not a Superbat video. It's in fact, it's a Lego Batman review. Okay, so let me just sort something out, and I'll be right with you to sort out the video.
Okay, so here's the set itself. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, so of course it's the Lego Batman. Of course, ages 9 and plus. Set number 76332. The Batman, trademarked, BatMobile, for 330 pieces. Of course, you got the Batman. And there's an image of the Batman that it is, the DC logo, a bunch of stuff, including a image of the Batman minifigure. Of course, on the back, it shows you more stuff, including a Legacy Batmobile collection. And there's the measurements of 18 centimeters wide by 5 centimeters tall, and if you get this set, you can get a golden Batmobile of the set. Okay, a bunch of other things. You can only see where I got it from. Okay, let me just get that out of the way. Right then, let's take a closer look at the minifigure. To be fair, just looking at this minifigure and just thinking, man, they've got every single little detail. I mean, the front looks amazing. The back is using the fabric cape. But of course, if you do have the rubber one, you can just replace with the rubber one if you want. If I do that, there we go. The back detailing looks amazing as well. And of course, let's reveal that it's Lego Robert Patterson. Correct me if I'm wrong. And he also has a slight grin. Of course, if I put back on, if I rotate the and then just quickly adjust that. Adjusted enough. Man, I'm also glad. I know that this suit is like one of the main suits that you get in Legacy of the Dark Knight. And it just looks awesome! This set does not come with any batarangs. Okay. That's the minifigures done. Okay, this is the actual Batmobile itself. It looks... honestly, it looks gorgeous. course, right the second I do not have Batman inside, but even just look at the thing, it's just like, Of course, a bit that no one really sees on sets unless you actually have it in hand. There's the top. To be fair, even just these like little splashes of red. And if you grab this section, I do have nails, but you can reveal that it's got, oh look, 20 years of Lego Batman. Okay. And of course, grab your Batman minifigure and you can place him inside. It is a bit of a loose for me. You can just place him loose, but for him to actually be inside, you can see the pieces kind of reflective. Okay, there he is inside the vehicle. Just to be honest, this set looks amazing. It doesn't come with. So if you're planning on getting this, I would definitely recommend, especially if you're interested in the Batmobile, or even just full complete for Legacy of the Dark Knight. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.